Oh, YouTube. Back at it again. I'm under the Monte Carlo, so I'm trying to see right now if I can remove this clamp. I see it got a couple little slices right there, so I'm gonna try to unbend it so that way I can keep the lip, the factory. Let me see, can I find it? Yeah. So can I see if I can keep the factory lip around it? That way, you know, the holes, I have a little something to bite on. But if not, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it, and just clamp it down real good. But let me see, can I get that off, and I'm gonna cut it back on. But I got the dry shaft, getting ready to install that. But I got to change the U-joints on the back end right here. And once I change them, I'm gonna go ahead and put that up. But I'm gonna get a little work done, and I'm gonna cut it back on as soon as I get something accomplished. So give me a minute, I'll be right back at you. Okay, YouTube, got the gas tank put in there. Oh man, I had a hard time getting it on up there. I just still gotta mount that hot wire right there. And yeah, like I said, I had a hard time getting up there because I couldn't remember where I put the bolts at, so I had to actually find some bolts that would work. And to me, a little bit is up there pretty good, flush. I don't think that this side up there is tight as it should be, so I don't know. What y'all think? Just saying that because, you know, it's not touching the bottom of that. Maybe it's because of the undercoat that's under there. But yeah, I got it all on. And now it's time to I was gonna go ahead and put the dry shaft under here, but I still gotta get that knocked out. I'm finna actually try to do it myself, but if not, I'm gonna have to go and let somebody press it out so I can go ahead and put another U-joint in there, and then I can go ahead and lock that in. And then after that, what I'm gonna do is I guess I'm gonna start what should I be doing next? I'm gonna start hooking the fans up. After ordering me a battery tray, so I can put my battery in here and make sure everything working. But I took the old battery tray out of here because it was all rusted out and I wasn't going for that. So I took that out, and I'm also taking the front cap loose right now because right here, right up in this area here, let me see, right here somewhere, it's got a little hump in it, so I gotta take the hammer and hit it down because what it's doing is it's making a little dent right here, and I ain't with that either. So I'm gonna fix that and knock it down and get it all cleaned up. And then, y'all, we should be ready to crank on up. Then I can get on to the exhaust shop. When I get to the exhaust shop, I'm gonna drop a video, make a video, and let you guys see it. And let me see something. I'm trying to flip this camera. I don't know how to do it, but anyway, I'm gonna get it to the exhaust shop, and once I get it there, I'll make another video and let you guys see how it sound. I know it look blurry. Let's see, can I fix that? I'll cut it off, put it back on. But yeah, like I said, once I get it to the exhaust shop, I'll make a video and let you guys see here. I already got my exhaust. I don't know if y'all ever seen what I can do, but I got the X pipes right there. All I gotta do is get it dropped down, get in there. So I got my exhaust already ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the right breather that I'm putting on here, you guys, and have that put on. And I still haven't went and got that hose yet, so I'm gonna get that So it looked like maybe Sunday next week, long as I don't have no weather, no rain coming for the weekend. Look like I might have it, go on here and have it running, and then I can get under there and start. I guess I'm a undercoat under the front and the back of the car. I'm gonna brush it. I'm gonna undercoat that. I'll make a video and show y'all how I'm gonna do that. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this nose on off a little bit more and beat that hole out. Beat that dent up out of there so I can have it to sit a little flush. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, turn your notification bell on. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And yeah, in a couple days, y'all, she will be running her first start. So y'all, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell once again. That way you won't miss the first crank up. So peace out and God bless you.